Hello friends, welcome to my channel NIDZOA. In today's video, we're going to see about the general approach of an architect and types of drawing given to a client. In the beginning of the video, I would like to make sure that there are various approaches followed by different architects and firms. In this video, we'll be seeing the outline and the basic of the approaches. So let's get started. The conceptual drawings. Conceptual drawings is something prepared by an architect where there is the initial consultation between the architect and the client, where the architect understands the need of the client in terms of the site, surroundings, interior, sizes of the rooms, circulation, position of the rooms, vastu if required, exterior. Sometimes architects also get to know each and every family member's need considering the today's trend and future. The architect comes up with conceptual drawing in terms of pre-design, schematic design, conceptual sketches, and 3D models if required. Then the client approves the drawing after the discussion. Preliminary architectural drawing. Preliminary architectural drawing is the architectural drawing prepared by the architect. In our previous video, list of drawings required for the construction of building I have mentioned in detail. The link is in the description box below. In short, it contains plans, sections, elevations, joinery details, site layout, furniture layout, and landscape details, etc. Then the client approves the drawings to proceed ahead. Sanction drawings. Sanction drawings, these are the drawings for the approval from the authorities and ensures compliance with codes, standards, and legislation as applicable, and architects assist the client in obtaining the statutory approvals thereof if required. Tender drawings. Architects prepare working drawings, specifications, and schedule of quantities sufficient to prepare the estimation of cost and tender documents including code of practice covering aspects like mode of measurement, method of payments, quality control procedures on materials and works, and other conditions of contract. Working and construction drawings. Prepare and issue working drawings and detail for proper execution of works during the construction. Visit the site of work at intervals mutually agreed upon to inspect and evaluate the construction works and where necessary clarify any decision. Offer interpretation of the drawings or specifications. Attend conferences and meetings to ensure that the project proceedings generally in accordance with the conditions of contract and keep the client informed and render advice on action if required. In order to ensure that the work at site proceeds in accordance with the contract documents or drawings and to exercise time and quality controls, the day-to-day supervision will be carried out by a construction manager who shall work under the guidance and direction of an architect and shall be appointed and paid by the client. Then the issue certificate of virtual completion of works is done. Work completion. Architect prepare and submit completion reports and drawings for the project as required and assist the client in obtaining completion or occupancy certificate from the statutory authorities whenever required. So these are the basic approaches by the architect. Please do visit the COA guidelines to know more in detail about the procedures. I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe our channel for more educational videos.